What is the best move in this chess position for the white pieces? First of all, black has their bishop on d3, not doing nothing, and they have their king on e7. So what would be the best move for the white pieces? Well, you're going to have to realize what is your advantage. And your small little advantage is this passed pawn on a5. And not only is it a passed pawn, but it is a protected passed pawn. How can we get this pawn promoted to a8? The best move in this position is bishop b7, and not only are we going away from this file so that this pawn can promote, but we're attacking this d5 pawn. And after king d6, a6, king c7, then we can take this pawn on d5, not do a7 and let our bishop get captured, but we can take this bishop on d5 and pretty much go along the lines of having this extra passed pawn to promote to the d8 square.